Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Marky B. Once again, we're here to show you a recipe that I found that is very tasty and very wonderful and very easy to make. It's pulled pork in the crock pot. I got a 3-pound tenderloin pork. I have chopped it up into cubes and I put it in my crock pot. I have my my secret sauce right here. I'm mixing it all up and I'm fixing to pour it in. And now you can do 8 hours on a crock pot or you could do 4 hours. It depends on how fast you want to eat your pulled pork. But once it's done, it is very delicious and you will really enjoy it. So hang on for a minute. Let me get my spatula. I'll be right back. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are here to pour the barbecue sauce on top. Yeah, we just gonna pour it all over. Make sure it gets on every nook, cranny, and corner. Now we're going to take our spatula. We got a spatula. My hand's in the way. I apologize, people. And we're just gonna, yeah, there we go. There we go. Yeah, we're getting it all out. There you go. Now we're gonna put the top on. We're gonna plug it up. Put it on. I like to have mine about 4 hours, so I'm gonna put it on high so I can have it this afternoon about 6 o'clock. I appreciate you looking and watching, and I'll check you later.